Strategy Review, Demo, Tips, Huge Bonus, with PLR Bundle Strategy Demo Tutorial. Introduction. PLR bundles are a great way to get access to a large amount of high-quality content at a fraction of the cost of creating it yourself. But with so many different PLR bundles on the market, it can be difficult to know which ones are worth buying. In this PLR Bundle Strategy Review, I am going to take a look at some of the best PLR bundles on the market and show you how to use them strategically to grow your business. I'll also be providing a huge bonus and a PLR Bundle Strategy demo tutorial. What are PLR bundles? PLR bundles are collections of high-quality content that you can purchase with private label rights. This means that you can use the content in any way you want, including rebranding it, editing it, and selling it as your own. PLR bundles can contain a variety of different types of content, such as ebooks, blog posts, articles, videos, and social media graphics. This makes them a great way to get all the content you need to create a successful online business. Benefits of using PLR bundles. There are many benefits to using PLR bundles, including save time and money. Creating high-quality content can be time-consuming and expensive. PLR bundles allow you to get access to high-quality content at a fraction of the cost of creating it yourself. Grow your audience. PLR bundles can help you to grow your audience by providing you with a steady stream of high-quality content to publish. Increase your sales. PLR bundles can help you to increase your sales by providing you with content that you can sell as your own. How to choose the right PLR bundle. When choosing a PLR bundle, it's important to consider the following factors. Quality. Make sure that the PLR bundle is high quality and that the content is well written and informative. Relevance. Make sure that the PLR bundle is relevant to your niche and audience. Value. Make sure that the PLR bundle is a good value for your money. How to use PLR bundles strategically. Here are a few tips on how to use PLR bundles strategically. Rebrand the content. Once you've purchased a PLR bundle, you can rebrand the content with your own logo and branding. This will help to make the content more unique and professional. Edit the content. You can also edit the PLR content to make it more relevant to your niche and audience. For example, you can add your own insights and perspectives to the content. Sell the content as your own. You can sell the PLR content as your own on your website or blog. You can also sell the content on marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Huge bonus. As a special bonus, I'm offering a free PLR bundle to my readers. This bundle contains over 100 ebooks, blog posts, and articles on a variety of different topics. To get your free PLR bundle, simply click the link below. Link to PLR bundle. PLR Bundle Strategy Demo Tutorial. In addition to the free PLR bundle, I'm also offering a PLR Bundle Strategy demo tutorial. In this tutorial, I show you how to use PLR bundles strategically to grow your business. To watch the demo tutorial, simply click the link below. Link to PLR Bundle Strategy demo tutorial. Conclusion. PLR bundles are a great way to save time and money, grow your audience, and increase your sales. Bye.